So we've got a new update feature incoming that allows us to compound automatically our lot size on our account, which we can't do right now. It's not a feature, but if we're trading a cent account, for example, or live funds, what we ideally want to be able to do is as our balance increases, our starting lot size adjusts accordingly. Let me just show you the power of such things. So here's a cent account file, basically turns 100k to 425,000 over the course of 15 months. Now, the difference in this using the same settings is shown here. Here's the compound effect of that graph. So as the equity is increasing, the balance increasing, so are the lot sizes. There are some spikes in drawdown. Those spikes in drawdown are bigger because the account's bigger, because the lot sizes are bigger. They wouldn't be that big if the balance hadn't already got that big too. So this drawdown on this account is still only 36%. The amount looks big, but it's because the account is huge. It's gone from 100,000 to 2.3 million. So if that's a 1,000 account, it's 23,000. If it's 10 grand, it's 230,000. That's the sort of rate of return that we've seen here. These concepts are highly risky, of course, but it just shows you what's doable and what's possible. This could be tailored down as well, however you desire. Obviously, you're not going to get those returns, but you'd also lower your drawdown risk. So when we're scaling up, we've got to think of the drawdown by way of percentage, not maximal drawdown amount. You would consider maximal drawdown amount when it's a lot size that is not changing and not growing with the account. So a great update for cent account stuff. I'm going to turn this one on today.